2, 3, 1. This is an interesting rhythm, but still quarter notes. Ready? 1, it's still bars of 4. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to stay loose. Nice and nimble over here on the... Yeah. Nice and nimble over here on the fretting hand. Just lightly. Lightly on the strings. Muting those strings. Always counting. 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. These are quarter notes. Oops. 1. And mind your strumming hand. You know, you should be able to wiggle your fingers in between strums. As long as they're loose. Hopefully you're developing a feel for how tightly you need to hold the guitar pick. Two, 3, 4, 1. Excellent. Yeah. All right.